Faridabad police has taken a man into custody. He was taken from Khandawali village lying in the back of a car. This happened at the same place where the red EcoSport car was found. Police will confirm whether he was caught there or he was brought over there to identify the location. Remember, the red Ford EcoSport owned by Delhi blast suspect Dr. Umar Nabi was found parked near Haryana's Khandawali village hours after cops launched a massive hunt for the vehicle. So, Arzu, now we are getting to know that another man has been taken into custody. We are yet to know the details, if he was present there or if he was actually brought over there by the police to identify the location. What more could you tell us?
Well, definitely the Faridabad police has reportedly taken one man into custody in connection with the ongoing investigation in the Delhi blast case, and also what we're getting to know that the man was taken out from Khandawali village in Faridabad, and the same location where the red Ford EcoSports suspected to be linked to Dr. Umar Nabi was found earlier, and also the man was hidden from the media's view and was lying in the back seat of the police vehicle, and he was taken away under the heavy security. However, there is whether he was arrested directly from the spot or was brought there by police to help identify or verify the location as the part of the investigation. This is yet to be confirmed, but yes, the Faridabad police had reportedly taken one man into custody in connection with the ongoing investigation, and also according to the initial information, the man was taken from Khandawali village in Faridabad. This is the same location where there is another car which is suspected to be involved in this of the Umar Nabi was found earlier. Yes.
Right, Arzu.